Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at though, although, and even though. First of all, have a look at this sentence. Although I liked the t-shirt, I decided not to buy it. Although I liked the t-shirt, I decided not to buy it. I could say, though I liked the t-shirt. Both have the same meaning. Though is informal, although a little more formal. Although I liked the t-shirt, I decided not to buy it. You can also change the word order a little and put though at the end of the sentence. I liked the sweater. I decided not to buy it though. Remember, however, you cannot use although in the same way. You can only put though at the end of the sentence. Even though is much stronger, more emphatic than although. For example, Uncle Geoff looked quite fresh, even though he'd been playing squash. Or, even though you dislike John, you should try to be nice to him. Though, although, and even though. Not too bad, are they? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.